Have you ever talked to an AI and it actually understood you? Well, guess what? There are people getting paid real money just for knowing the right words to say to AI. This job is called a prompt engineer, and you can start learning it today, even from your phone. Prompt engineering means you tell AI exactly what you want, and AI creates it for you. Images, videos, scripts, ads, business plans, anything. You become the bridge between humans and AI tools, and companies are paying for that skill. Right now, qualified prompt engineers are earning $30 to $80 per hour. Some professionals are even making more than $200,000 a year, just by crafting powerful prompts that get amazing results. This skill is new, but already in high demand. You do not need a degree. You do not need technical skills. You only need creativity, curiosity, ability to explain what you want. If you can chat, you can start. Start practicing with free tools like ChatGPT. Try writing prompts for YouTube video ideas, business ads, story writing, product descriptions, viral social media scripts. Every prompt you write improves your skill. Once you get better, you can offer prompt services on places like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, even local businesses. Write prompts for images, branding, SEO, automation, anything a business needs help with. Some of the hottest niches right now are AI YouTube content, graphic design prompts, viral marketing prompts, e-learning and automation, business branding with AI. Choose one niche, master it, and businesses will come to you. The world is changing fast. AI will not replace people who learn to use it. You can start earning from home just by mastering the skill of prompt engineering. So if you want more videos like this, subscribe now, and let's grow your online income together.